Hi folks, thanks for stopping by. Jean here with the last set of anomalies I could find in Moreux crater on Mars. And guys, this is also pure speculation. I'll be looking at possible destroyed machineries and statues found on Mars. As I say, pure speculation on my part. I'll be showing you guys what I think these look like and not specifically stating what they are. It's just fun, guys. We're going to have a look at some anomalies I found in this photo from HiRISE. Flows from central peak of Moreux crater. I'll take you to the website at the end of this presentation. So the first anomaly I found is this one right here, guys. I think you can see it. It sticks out like a sore finger, literally. Look at that. So what I found was this very long, narrow artifact. It looks as if it could possibly be rectangular. There's the one face, the second face there in the shade, guys. It's uniform. It looks as if these two sides have equal widths. Very strange looking anomaly, guys. This is the only one in the immediate area. A little bit lower down here, if you guys look at the JP2 photograph, these are dunes, but I highly doubt that's a dune, guys. Look at the right angles of this. Dunes don't do that, guys. As you can see here, they sort of fade into the surface, and they've got like pointed ends like that there as well. That there's got a flat end to it. So that to me, guys, looks like an anomaly. I'm not saying it is anything else. So yeah, let me know what you guys make of it. Could be natural. All these anomalies I'm showing you could be natural, guys. Highly likely, but then again, there are the odd anomalies that do say that there could be something else here, guys. And also around this area there looks like shards of broken pots, clay pots, maybe. Who knows, guys? Okay, next anomaly right there. Guys, this looks like almost like a shield. Look at that. Look at the geometry and symmetry of this thing. That top piece there and this bottom piece here, together with that arc, look very symmetrical, guys. And then these two I don't know what you could call these, indentations, also look very symmetrical, guys. As I say, that looks like a shield. I'm not saying it is one. Could even be part of a devastated piece of machinery or a monument or a ruin. If you look at the other anomalies lying around here, guys, especially those there, that looks like a cube as well. But look at those there. We've got three parallel lines and then a V shape. These could have all been part of a monument or a statue. There's even a crescent shape there, guys. So the next one is right here in the center. And what made me look at this anomaly twice was that little anomaly there. Look at that, guys. It looks like a propeller. Very odd. And then there as well on the top next to this propeller to the left, looks like some form of technology, guys. Could be natural, trick of the light, but I think that object is sort of lying on top of this rock. I don't know, guys. Let me know what you think. That's what I see. There's another very odd looking anomaly there, like a square and a little round ball on it. Even that looks anomalous, guys. Next one, over there. This makes me think that this could have possibly been part of a statue. This square rectangular part and that triangular part may have been joined once. If you look at those lines there, that will sit nicely on top of that, guys. That's if it was a monument. Okay, next. Okay, guys, this at first looks like a rock, but then if you look at this bottom part here, that L shape there, and that little round object there, and then you got that sort of same shape to it there, like some symmetry there. You got another sort of dome or ball there, guys. So this part here seems to match that piece there. So there's some geometry to this. Could be natural. Guys, here's another piece that looks symmetrical, and it also looks as if it's got a little dome or ball on top. Okay, guys, if you have a look at this one, these knobs, I think I could call them knobs sticking out of the surface, all look pretty round on the tops like little hills, but then in this one we've got an anomaly, guys, and there as well with this one here. It looks as if there was something embedded in it there. But let's look at this one more closely. It's this strange looking anomaly, guys. It's got some definite symmetry to it, like two flanges over there, two flat sides, and then this odd looking sort of donut there. Guys, what makes me think this is unnatural is the fact that we've got some symmetry there. As I say, all these could be natural, but then again, who knows. Anyway, the next one, in this area here, guys, this all looks like rock, but if you look at this piece here and that piece there, we are looking at something maybe potentially of a technological nature. There's what seems to be a rectangular tube over there. You've got this part over here, and running through it this darker, what looks like perhaps a pipe or a cable running right through that opening there, guys. Looks like an arc, and then over here too, all that there makes this look like it could have been some type of machinery that was destroyed, guys. Anyways, that's what I see. Pure speculation on my part. And then this anomaly here, guys, also looks pretty natural. It looks like a boulder in the shape of a cube or a square, but then on top of it is this object over here. Got two parallel lines, what looks like a cone with an opening over there, guys. That looks as if it could be artificial as well. Next anomaly over there, guys, this looks like sort of a hexagon shape, but a flat side, flat side, flat side, and then over here on the one side to the right, we've got what look like two holes. Look at that there, guys. Some symmetry to this anomaly over here. And then over here on the surface we've got what looks like a cross. This could be pipe, I'm not sure, guys. There's an arc, another piece of it lying over the top, another straight piece lying across there. Looks like a little donut shape there. Guys, that could be an artifact of the photo itself, but it does look quite odd even over there. But as I say, this flat side, flat side, flat side embedded in the surface there with these two pairs of holes or little domes on top. That's what I think of that there, guys. Anyways, next one there. What we've got here is another very strange anomaly. At first looks very natural, but then I found this sort of shape which looks as if it could be embedded in the top of this piece. It looks like a flower. Look at those, those look like petals. I'm not saying this is a flower or that those are petals, they just look like it. Could be natural too, guys. Next one. That there looks like a tube, guys, a little opening over there. So what is it doing on this if it is a rock? Very anomalous. Anyway, next one. Yeah, guys, got a sort of a triangular shape, but what made me look at this one twice was that side over here, which seems to make this look like a piece of perhaps sheet metal that's been bent or destroyed. Anyways, guys, that's what I see. Just thought I'd show you that. And this looks like a tombstone. Not saying it is, but guys, it looks like a tombstone right here in the middle of nowhere. Look at its shape, guys. It's got some geometry and symmetry as well. Just a fun piece I thought I'd show you there. And then what looks like a buried square. I don't know how that would form in nature. But anyways, next one. Look at this over here, guys. It looks as if this has sort of been pressed down in here. Like this was once clay or something, and this shape was pressed into it, like it was molded or something. It sort of also made me think this could be unnatural, guys. This over here, we've got some geometry and symmetry here. It looks like an arrow pointing diagonally down to the left. Not that it is an arrow, guys, but look at the symmetry in this. 90-degree angles. Very anomalous. This piece over here, guys, also looked like a piece of volcanic rock or something. But then I saw that opening over there. Look, this looks like a tube or a cylinder on the side of this, guys, and then on top of this some more geometry. But could this have been a piece of tech or machinery once? Totally devastated. Then we've got this item over here. Guys, I don't know, if you look at it together with this piece next to it, I'm not quite sure what to make of that. We've got this piece on top with parallel lines. Down here as well, we've got some parallel lines. Funny little round donut shape there. And on top of this we've got what looks like something in the shape of a arc. Next one. Okay guys, this also seems to have a bit of geometry and symmetry to it. Got 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4 sides with this piece on top. Looks like a funny triangular shape, guys. Could that have been part of a statue or a monument once? And that is the end of it, guys. Let me show you the HiRISE page. I'll include the link to this page in the video description below. So as always, I downloaded the black and white map projector JP2 just to give you guys an idea of what this photograph looks like. I'm going to show you the low res JPEG. Also another awesome photograph of this crater, guys. Just look at those flows. Alright, and then just before I finish off, I want to go to my YouTube channel and look at the video I posted yesterday, specifically at the comments I received. And guys, this is from the Out There channel, and he said lots of laugh out loud, seeing things in random data look like rocks and shadows to me. And then he adds, so why do spaceships need wings when UFOs are sources? Okay guys, if you watched yesterday's video, I speculated that some of the anomalies there could have been craft. They look like craft, not specifically are craft. So yeah, just to address the first part of this comment, I do always mention in my videos that I'm speculating and looking at the anomalies out of a point of view of something that they could look like and not specifically what they are. So I respect that comment, fair enough. The anomalies do look natural, but some of them do look like some other items here on Earth. And then the last part, so why do spaceships need wings when UFOs are sources? Okay, the anomalies I looked at are all on the surface of the planet, not really out in space. So if they are on the surface, they could possibly use wings or UFOs. Doesn't necessarily have to be in space. But yeah, the anomalies I looked at in yesterday's videos are on the surface. So I'm not quite sure what you try to say there. But yeah, the Out There channel, as always, thanks for your comments and your feedback. I do respect your opinions, and I don't know if the thumbs down was from you, but that too is fair game. Respect from my side. You do good work, so I've got no complaints. And as I say, guys, let me know what you make of these videos and anomalies in the comments below. I won't take offense. Everyone has their own opinion, and I do respect that. So yeah, no hard feelings. I'm just saying the anomalies we looked at were actually on the surface. And yeah, just like us, we use winged craft in the atmosphere. But then again, who knows what's going on the planet? We can only speculate. So let's continue to have fun. This is what it's all about. And as always, guys, I'm not here to deceive you. I'm here just to show you some interesting anomalies I found. And yeah, let's keep it at that level. And thank you for watching and tuning in as always. And I'll see you guys in the next video.